Hello guys, here we are again with our main.py file. So today we are going to deal with keyboard inputs. So last time we imported images, so actually we are going to work with keyboard. Let's first run our app and see what's happening. So here we have a spaceship and we have a background. So actually today we will be moving the spaceship left and right. So how do we do that? First we come to our while loop. Here we need to define our keys. So here we are. Then let me just define a variable key. Let's say keys equals to pygame.key. There are different ways of doing this. This is the way I'm going to use .key .get pressed. So what you're saying is here actually for every key that is pressed. So after you have done that, for every key that is pressed, you come here, you say if keys let's use for the key pygame. Before that, let me just import it to make it more shorter. From pygame.locals, from pygame.locals, import all. So here we have imported our locals. So here is, so now we are targeting the key left. This is it. This is the key left. The key left. Let's just pass it for now. And there are a few things I'm supposed to set. So here let's just take this out. From here let's take this out from here and define a function. Let's say player, let's first define some variable. Player x, the x position, equal to, let's say 250. Then let's say player y, so let's say 400. So after we have done this, now we define a function. Def player, actually let's give it a parameter x and a parameter y. So here we are. Just say play. So let's also give it an image mg. So what do? We do screen dot bleed so we pass our first parameter img, then we create our tuple. Same thing we did down there, but here we're doing it with a function, and sy. So after we have done this, let me format it well. Now we come down here, we call our function play. So what x position do we want to give it? It takes 3 parameters. So we define our player s first. Our player y. Then now what's the name of the image we want to bleed? Player. Let's say player. Okay. Let's run and see if we have bleeded our image, if our function works well. So okay, it is there. So right now, what do we want to do? Here we want that when we press the left key, that is the left here, when we press the left key, that is what we need. When we press the left key, we set our player s minus equal, let's say 5. Let's just run it. I hope it's going to work. Okay. Let's also do the same thing for the right key. So this for the right key. Right. There's a documentation for this, so you're not forced to cram all of them. Besides, when you start using them, you will understand. So this is it. We can move our spaceship without any problem. So that is how you handle events. We could as well decide to move it upward, in as much we could decide to move it downward. So that is that for today. Stay tuned for the next class and have a blessed day.